Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Professor Muhammad Razak Amanwatu with my next video. Yes, friends. Today, I'm taking you behind a door where human logic halts, where physics hesitates, and where the universe hides its deepest, most haunting secrets. Yes, a place where light accepts defeat, time surrenders its authority, and matter abandons its very definition. Yes, a realm science loves to terrify us with the infamous, yes, black hole. Yes, friends, today I will tell you about the black hole, but the two-water quantum theory tells a very different story. Yes, friends, a black hole is not a fear, it is art. It is not a darkness, it is order. It is not a destruction. Yes, friends, it is the beating heart of the cosmos. Yes, friend, this is the heart of cosmos. So let's lift the veil and enter the poles of the universe. Yes, friends, the greatest misconception of the physics. Our traditional physics declare a black hole is a region where gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape, and its center lies a singularity, means zero volume, infinite density. But think, zero volume, infinite density, amazing. Yes, friends, that is not a physics. That is a mathematics panicking. Yes, collapsing into the nonsense when equations hit their limits. The Hubbard continuum theory states plainly, zero volume does not exist anywhere in the universe. Infinite density is a mathematical malfunction, not a physical reality. So what is the truth? A black hole is not a bottomless pit of terror. It is a spiraling, coherent, quantized vortex within the U-water quantum. Yes, friends, a perfect fluid dynamic structures, cosmic spirals of precision, a universal flow engines crafted with breathtaking symmetry. The so-called singularity is a basically mistranslation, a misinterpretation. Reality is far more elegant. Yes, friends. The true nature of the black hole in the universe quantum is totally different. What is this? Actually, the picture is the universe is not an empty space. As in my previous videos, I explained about the universe. It is a fluid, a simple, non-material, invisible medium permeating every atom. The U-water quantum. Yes, friends. When massive stars collapse, when the galaxies accelerate their spin, the quantum is dragged inward. Yes, dragged inward. This inward drift This inward circulation and this inward twisting, friends, gain speed and grow in intensity until it becomes a colossal roarings whirlpool. Yes, colossal roarings whirlpool. And that whirlpool is the black hole. I can say a magnificent spiraling vortex called inside the Jupiter continuum. No infinity. Yes, friends. No infinity. No undefined horror. Just a finely tuned, architecturally perfect cosmic mechanism. Fluid, fluid dynamics, not a fear. Quantum physics, not a mystery. Yes, friends, the real meaning of the event horizon. Yes, I'm going to tell you about the event horizon. Science calls the event horizon the point of no return, as if an invisible wall stands guard over the abyss. Amazing. But you better quantum physics explain when the inward flow of the quantum exceeds the outward propagations of speed of light. So light simply cannot escape. Yes, friends. That's it. That's simple yet that profound. Remember that. No time slowing magic. No rapid clocks. No mystical strengthening of the space-time. Yes, friends. It's a pure hydrodynamics, pure flow mechanism. But the real question is the inward speed of the quantum should be greater than the speed of light. Yes. When inward speed, inward velocity outturn the speed of the light, then friends, the famous equation of Einstein E is equal to mc squared falls silent. Light becomes trapped. Information becomes confined. The event horizon is not a wall. It is a flow barrier sculpted by the quantum itself. Yes. Now, friends, I'm going to tell you about the mathematics of the black hole. Yes. The inward acceleration of the Jupiter follows. This is the equation that is followed by the black hole. And that equation is f of r is equal to km over r square. Yes, friends. Not a gravitational force, but inward flow acceleration. The classical vortex velocity profile, that is v of r is equal to alpha over r g. Yes, as r decrease, v of r will increase. This v of r will increase because they are in an inverse relation. Dramatically, this will approach to infinity, but never reaching it. It will approach to infinity, but never reach to the infinity. Which is why at the center of every black hole, there exists a finite core. Yes, of course, the finite core. R sub core is equal to epsilon. Yes, R sub core is equal to epsilon. Remember that where epsilon is extremely small, but never be a zero. Just greater than zero. A definite measurable physical radius. Why? Because, friends, no medium in the universe, either it's a matter or a plasma or the universe continuum, can collapse to the zero one. No one can be a zero one. Remember that singularity is a mathematical match. The quantum knows no such illusion. Reality is actually structured, ordered, finite, and consistent. Yes, friends, remember that. Not gravity, but quantum pressure mechanics. Yes, quantum pressure mechanics. Einstein famously said, mass curves space time. Yes, mass curves space time. But your water quantum physics says mass creates a pressure sink in quantum, a region where inward flow intensifies. Yes, of course. When mass increases, this implies that definitely flow will increases. As flow increase, pressure increase. As the pressure increase, vortex intensity increase. So a black hole is the ultimate pressure sink in the fluid architectures of cosmos. Yes. Do black holes destroy everything? This is the question that arises from everywhere. Do black holes destroy everything? The answer is absolutely not. Hollywood exaggerates, pop science, dramatized, but the quantum reveals the truth. Yes, of course, the truth. A black hole does not destroy, it transforms. Yes, it transforms. Matter is transformed to the wave pattern, and the atom is transformed to the oscillatory signatures, and electrons are transformed to the vortex filaments, and photons are transformed to the trapped resonance modes. Everything becomes structure, information, frequency, geometry, not a destruction, evolution, a restructuring of existence. Yes, it is the restructuring of existence, a metamorphosis through the quantum. Yes, friends, the true cosmic purpose of the black hole. Yes, now I'm going to explain what is the actual purpose of the black hole. Yes, friends. According to the Water quantum theory, black holes are the basically engine of galaxies. They are engine of galaxies. Yes. They mean the galactic rotation. The main purpose of that. Organized quantum flow architecture. Upload cosmic pressure balance. Yes, they uphold the cosmic pressure balance. Uphold cosmic pressure balance. Regulate energy cycles. And they anchor the large scale structures of the universe. They are not cosmic vacuum cleaner. Remember that. They are universe stabilizers. Yes, friends. Now I'm going to explain to you how the wormholes form. Yes, I'm talking about the wormholes. A wormhole is not a science fiction. It is a pure quantum geometry. Yes, when two regions of the quantum develops equal pressure sink. Yes, when P1 is equal to P2, then the flow divergence becomes zero. Yes, nabla dot P is equal to zero. The two vortex core naturally sink. Space does not fold. The quantum holds its own fluid topology. Yes, a wormhole is simply a shortcut through the architectures of the water medium. Yes, elegant, precise, logical. So, friends, a black hole is not the terror of the universe. It is its design. Yes, it is the place where light chooses its next form, where matter becomes frequency, where laws emerge but not break. A black hole is not a darkness, it is a luminous doorway. Yes, a luminous doorway behind which the universe guards its greatest truths. Yes, and friends, our journey has just begun. Yes, friends, if you like this video, then must share it and must subscribe to my channel so that I can make the next videos more informative. Thank you.